Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. This is episode 3 of our series, Mastering Gratitude with 4 Bodies. We have already honored the physical and emotional bodies. Today, we enter the realm of the mental body. In many spiritual practices, the mind is treated as an obstacle. We are told to silence the chatter or empty the mind. This often creates a battle within us. In the BodyMaitre system, we take a different approach. We recognize that your mind's busyness is actually an act of love. It analyzes, plans, and worries because it is trying to keep you safe. Today, instead of fighting for silence, we are going to offer the mind gratitude for its protection. When the mental body feels appreciated, it naturally begins to rest. Find a comfortable position. Let's begin. Before we begin, let us gently create a safe and supported space. I invite your higher self, your spirit guides, and the collective angelic support aligned with love, clarity, and truth to be present with us now. Please surround this space with golden light protection. Support this meditation with steadiness and clarity, and assist in any clearing, healing, or guidance that serves the highest good, with full respect for free will. There is nothing you need to perceive. Just allow the quiet sense that support is already here. Now, allow yourself to arrive. You don't need to empty your mind. You don't need to stop thinking. You don't need to be clear yet. Whatever the mind is doing is allowed. Let yourself be here as you are in this moment. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of the breath. Notice how it moves in and moves out without instruction. Feel the body being supported, held by the space beneath you. Let the body signal to the mind that it is safe enough to pause. Notice the emotional tone beneath your thoughts. Perhaps there is urgency, tension, restlessness, or quiet. You don't need to change it. Just allow the emotional body to soften slightly so the mind doesn't have to work so hard. Now, bring your awareness directly to the mind itself. Notice thoughts appearing, words, images, planning, remembering. You are not asked to stop them. Just notice that the mind is active because it learned to protect you. For this moment, it doesn't need to be on guard. From this gentle awareness, we turn toward the mental body, not as something to control, not as something to silence, but as something that has worked tirelessly for you. The mind that analyzed, anticipated, planned, and worried, all in an attempt to keep you safe. Begin by sensing the mental body as a field of activity, not the content of thoughts, but the effort behind them. And gently, silently, or out loud, begin to offer gratitude. Thank you, mind, for trying to protect me. Thank you for searching for answers when I felt uncertain. Thank you for planning ahead when things felt unsafe. If the mind has been busy, overthinking, replaying, or anticipating, there is no need to judge it. You might gently say, "Thank you for your effort. Thank you for your vigilance. Thank you for staying alert when I didn't know how else to cope." Bring gratitude to beliefs that once helped you survive. Even if they no longer serve you, they had a purpose once. Thank you for learning quickly. Thank you for adapting. Thank you for trying to make sense of the world. Now notice what happens when the mind is acknowledged instead of resisted. You don't need to force quiet. Just notice how appreciation allows the mind to soften its grip. Thoughts may slow or they may continue. Either way, the mind knows it has been seen. This gratitude is now known to your mental body as permission to rest. It is known to your emotional body as relief. It is known to your physical body as ease. And it is known to your spiritual body as trust. This state is gently sealed across all 4 bodies. When you feel ready, begin to sense the space around you, the room, the sounds, the quiet presence of your body. There is no rush. Carry this softer relationship with your mind into the rest of your day. Your mind is not the enemy. It is a protector that learned from experience. When met with gratitude, it no longer needs to fight for control. You can return to this space whenever the mind feels loud or tired. Your mental body has always been trying to help you survive. Thank you for joining me. You may find that after this meditation, your mind actually becomes sharper and clearer. This is because we have removed the friction of judgment. Take some time to hydrate and let these changes integrate. In our next episode, we will take a significant step. We will explore the spiritual body. We will learn how to offer gratitude for our higher bodies and light bodies. If you are enjoying this journey through the 4 bodies, please subscribe to the BodyMaitre channel. I'm Derek, and I will see you in the next episode.